What's going on, Milli Roaders? If this is not your first time tuning into the channel, welcome back. If this is your first time, welcome to the channel. Today is a very happy day for me because I finally got my car back. That's right, finally got my Camaro back after having it for so many days away from me because this fender was getting fixed. So if you guys haven't seen previous videos, please make sure to check it out. But I did get into an accident, and of course now you can see that it's perfectly back to normal, all thanks to European Collision Center for taking great care of me and my car. Of course, they also managed to do a quick little fix on my front lip there. I don't know if you guys ever noticed that, but I did crack the carbon lip because there was a hose one time that I was literally driving, going to Cars and Coffee, and then there was a hose in the middle of the highway and I was going 80, and I definitely I hit it. I know I hit it because I destroyed it and I saw all over the front of my car. But now they fixed it and they took care of the bumper, and man, look how clean this thing looks. They even waxed it for me. Again, guys, if you guys don't know who European Collision Center is, please make sure to search them up. I want to put all their information down in the description below. But they did an amazing job. Not only do they work on exotic cars, but they literally work on whatever you take them, and they do a fantastic job. I mean, literally, like, I'm so happy to finally have this car back. Just driving a slow car sucked ass. So being back in this bad boy definitely made my whole entire week, I swear to God. So yeah, guys, let's do a quick little walk around so you guys can see it. As you can tell, it's getting a little dark outside, you know, but here's a quick little walk around, and you know, just assess the damage. There's literally none. They fixed it. They fixed like everything. My wheel is fixed. I mean, you guys saw it in the previous videos, but I know it's kind of hard to see now because it's kind of dark, but the wheel is completely fixed. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. And of course, just look how badass this thing looks with the front LEDs powered on and with this beautiful background. Oof, man, I just love my car. I don't know, I just love it. I think I have pretty good taste. Of course, Belgian wheels. If you guys don't know who they are, Belgian, those are their wheels. They're VF5s, very lightweight wheels.
That
Can't even say that. And C7 carbon front lip, which of course it is carbon fiber, and I have it dropped on ABOC lowering springs, and that's pretty much it. I have nothing else done to the car, but I mean, in my opinion, the 6th gen SS, like the 2016 through 18, I don't like the 2019 front so much. Sorry guys, but I don't, but I really do like the front, and this Gen 6 in general, I really love it. But yeah, that was a quick little update, guys. I just wanted to fill you guys in on my car and it being fixed. And again, I'm super hyped and excited. So thank you again one more time to European Collision Center. Please make sure to check them out, give them a like. And if you guys like this video, please make sure to subscribe. There's gonna be plenty of other videos. I got a bunch of reviews coming out, and of course many other videos like this with my car now that I finally have it back. I'm gonna be doing more things with the Camaro, going to rallies and so forth. So I'm very excited to have it back and to do those things and show you guys and take you along with me. So anyways, guys, pretty much that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.